Okay, hey, and I am going to be showing you how the basics of Hammer, like how to get it and how to make a simple map. First thing you want to do is start up Steam and go to Tools. I have the new UI, but you can still just go to Tools, right click on Source SDK, and you'd hit Install Game. I already have it installed, so I'm going to just go ahead and hit that, and it'll say preparing to launch Source SDK. And it will launch pretty quickly usually. Mine's taking longer than normal actually. Probably because I'm running Fraps. Right there. Oh, and my copy of Windows 7 is perfectly legal. I just had some weird thing that happened with my code. And so I guess somebody, like some hacker or somebody, used it and I never got it straight with Microsoft for any reason. Because I don't feel like it right now. Anyway, just choose whatever game you want and click Hammer Editor. I'm using Half-Life 2. Next thing you want to do is wait for this to open. And I'm going to hit no for that. Yours shouldn't pop up like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to hit File, then New. Then you'll come up with this window. First thing you want to do is click where it says camera and go 3D shaded textured polygons. Next, drag the block tool out and drag it along this top view. And then drag it up on the side so that way it's a big tall block. That's the side. Then over here where it says brick and stuff, hit browse and type in no draw. Then you can hit enter to select that texture. Then you can hit enter again to create the block. Go over here to your selection tool, which is the arrow. Make sure your block's selected. Then go to tools, view, then hit center 3D views on selection. Then you can zoom out and you'll have a block that says no draw all over it. This is normal. Now what you want to do is press Z. Now it likes to turn into a little crosshair and you can look around and stuff with it. Now that you have that, you can use WASD to move. But see, right now it's all black inside. Press Z again to get out of that. Press Control H while your block is still selected. Hit -4. This hollows it outwards so it doesn't make it smaller inside. Go ahead and hit OK. You don't have to use -4, you can really use any number. It's better if you're making a big map to use all the same thickness walls, or else it gets really messed up. Next thing you want to do is go to your toggle texture application tool. Then hit browse, type in grass in the filter. Then if you're using Half-Life 2, I'm going to use nature/grass floor 002A. I'm going to go ahead and click that. You can use whatever you find though. You can actually use concrete or something like that, but that wouldn't look realistic for this tutorial. You're going to right click on the bottom of your cube. Then what you're going to do is next is going to type in tools in that where it says where you go to browse. Type in tools/tools skybox. Now press Z and go and right click all the other walls. X out of that. Then click the thing that looks like an eye, that's your entity tool. And it should already be set to info_player_start. If it's not, type that in over here. Unless it's Counter-Strike, in which it should be info counter-terrorist. Then you can press Z and go over and it's like a little green Gordon Freeman. This is where you will spawn. Next thing you want to do is you're going to go to File, Run Map. I usually just press F9. And then I'm going to go to map 1. I'm going to go ahead and overwrite this one because I tried to do this tutorial but my recording thing messed up. I'm going to go ahead and check this off because I don't want to run the game right now, but you probably don't really want to. because then it won't run the game immediately after. You just hit OK, and with yours it'll probably just go through this, and then it'll run whatever game you're mapping for, and it'll show your map. You'll be able to walk around in that box. That's all for now.